My name is Antoinette Gagliano, and I graduated from the Diagnostic Priming Specialist program at Florida Academy. Before Florida Academy, I definitely didn't know where my path was going to take me. I felt like I wasn't moving forward. I chose Florida Academy mostly because of the location, and they offered the largest program in the area. I think that the school gives a lot of education to the students. I think that they really think about how they're going to leave here and how they're going to advance into their careers. You really get that one-on-one with the educators, and you establish relationships with the educators. Being here is what pushed me. I could make a step forward and I could do something to further my career, and it ended up working. Learn, do, succeed at Florida Academy.